Friday. Today is Friday, April 30th. No, almost, you suck. Friday, April 20th, and I should know that because I have a really big paper due today. I'm not really stressed about the paper. I started it on Tuesday and I finished it at 5:30 a.m. this morning. And it's currently being reviewed because this paper is like really big. It's bigger than, like, it's worth more than 2 exams, so like that says a lot. As you guys can see, I have makeup on and I never ever, like, rarely wear makeup. So when I'm wearing makeup, it's like something's happening. And what's happening is that I'm vlogging. Well, I guess I'm vlogging too, but I'm filming videos for you guys because I suck. I'm very aware. Yes, I'm very aware. My sweet mates bring that to my... Speaking of my sweet mate, one of them called, Tati called, so like the clip cut, but like it's weird. She called as soon as I was speaking about her, speaking about them. So yeah, I'm filming a couple of videos for you guys. Literally, I really know I suck. Like, I'm actually trash. Anyway, I'm about to cut this clip because it's kind of long. This is what I'm gonna wear for the first video. It's just this crop top. It's off the shoulder. And yeah, and I'll see you guys later. I'm starving and it's cold outside, so I'm going to one of the closest diners, even though their food is not delectable. I'm hungry, so let's get it. Look who came to join me, but she's not paying any attention to me. She's fake. Hey guys, so I'm back from the diner. Oh, my top. This is the thing with this crop top. Like, when you move your hand, it like adjusts this, but I don't know. Anyway, I'm back from the diner, 251 to be specific. A lot of people like called the diners by their names. I call all of them the diner. North, South, 251, they're all diners to me. So yeah, I 10 out of 10 would not recommend the food because my food was not delectable, and I'm kind of upset. I'm about to start filming, and yeah, talk to you guys later. I'm so excited. Tati just came up with a brilliant.
I didn't come up with shit.
Tati just came up with a brilliant.
I did not come up with this idea for the last
Tati
time.
came up with a brilliant video idea. She said she wanted to be my test subject. So like, obviously she was asking if I could do her makeup blindfolded.
No, there's no obvious.
Yes, obviously, because that's what I implied. So I'm bringing her chair over so we can film this video. I already got her makeups. She's such a genius. Like, she brought up this idea, yo. That's why I love her. She's willing to try new things. And can you make sure I don't hit the camera or the light?
Yeah, you didn't.
She's not even looking. She's making me do all this by myself. You guys, so me and Tati just filmed the video. I will show you guys the end result, but if you want to see how we got to end result, you will have to watch the video.
Click the link, it's right here.
Yes,
this
girl.
box. You see it?
Yes.
I'm grabbing the box right now.
Hopefully the video is up so this will make sense. If it's not, that's kind of out. I'm here at Timren's getting bubble tea because this girl gave me a headache today, you guys. She's so fake. She caused me unnecessary stress. And she literally did the most. Like, are you going to tell them what you did?
Tell them about how you literally, I got out of class at 4:50 and you didn't even text me about, I called you and you told me you were going to call me back.
I did call you back.
20 minutes later.
I was doing the paper. No. You called me. I was like...
The funny thing is that last night before I went to bed, I told her that we talked about this and she said 5:15 works for her.
Yeah, but my dad...
And then she didn't text me to tell me that, like, oh, my dad...
You have to remember, my dad is in Ghana, so he's on Ghana time. While a friend would know.
Oh, I guess I'm not your friend. I'm an acquaintance, right? Oh, yeah, she also called me an acquaintance the other day, just in case you didn't know.
Anyway.
So what am I supposed to do when I want you in my life?
I need fuel.
Paulina, you haven't been on the vlog. What's Gucci?
What's good? What's up?
What's up, vloggers? I'm doing something new. It's called record with your back. Record with your back camera and walk backwards challenge. Oh my god,
You're actually a mess.
Yeah, I know.
But the lighting is really good. Your finger's on the camera. Yeah, the lighting is really good.
Okay, see, now I'm doing it. Who gonna stop me? We're going to the diner.
Yeah, gang.
Who needs to see their surroundings? Cause I don't.
Nobody. I'm accompanying Tati and Paulina because you guys know I just went out to Timren.
Did you put on mascara?
What
are they looking at?
I don't know what they're looking at.
He looked back twice and then
Look
left.
back at it.
Okay, here comes the corner. Yep, I did it. Wind it back,
them what you
girl.
did.
Wind it back, girl. Make your hair touch your butt.
Tati, watch it.
Yeah, that's done.
Well, the diner is so empty. We are at the diner now. I came to accompany Tati and Paulina for moral support. I might actually end up getting something to drink or something because I'm low key. What'd you say?
That's a trigger.
Anyway, so yeah, we're at the diner. We'll see if they have some good food, which is very rare. So
This first.
this is what you gotta do when the diner has no food. You make your own. She's about to do cheese fries.
I know that for a fact it's about to be nasty as fuck.
That
Hold
cheese
on.
don't look good.
It doesn't. So let me taste it first.
Delicioso. It's good.
It tastes like nacho cheese. It's literally nacho cheese, like from the movie theater.
Are you gonna get some more or no? Just one. It's our first time coming to a diner on a Friday. It's pretty empty in here, so we're gonna start coming to the diner more. We usually go out to eat and stuff, but today we're being frugal. Them more than me, honestly, because I just came out. Yeah.
Give me my damn chicken.
Oh, oh, let me tell you guys about this. Do you want to tell them about this chicken, Tati? Can you tell them about the chicken?
Okay. You got me water? No, I'm just kidding. So at this the sandwich station, they have these little wraps, these fried chicken wraps, but they're pre-made. So one of the workers left their station and left the tray of uncut fried chicken patties out, and she went to go make a sandwich for someone else, and I said, I'm gonna look. And I was like, you dare me to take it? And I was like, yeah.
I did not say you dare me. I was gonna take it anyway.
Oh well. Anyways, she got it. She picked it up, got it for me. And then I was watching, as she was doing it, I was watching the worker. Look at her do it. And the worker was all the way at the other end of the station. And as soon as she got it and we left, like the worker came over and moved the tray. I was like, whose fault is that?
She really carried the tray. I was like, sis, it was meant to be eaten and we paid for it.
Mm-hmm.
So
Where's it going? It's 9.
Right, it's 9. They're about to close and it was like a fresh tray.
Who was
Anyway,
about to eat 15 pieces of chicken?
they taking it home to their families, man.
Wait for long.
Anyway, see y'all later.
Or maybe back to the cells.
Bye. Ooh, this lighting. What is wrong with you? Yeah, this is a vlog. So, Tati, where's the vlog link gonna be?
It's gonna be right here.
Anyway, so you guys, we're in the middle of filming. Can I show them your room or no?
Not the bed.
This? Okay. How can I? Okay.
Don't even show this part.
You know what? I'll just
Just
look
show
at
the
camera.
TV.
So, we just finished filming a video. It was very interesting. These are the outfits we wore, or whatever. Ew, like this stuff is getting on my nail. Hi! It tastes like the chili. But we about to go. We have to go to get dressed and stuff. What are y'all wearing?
I'm just changing my top.
Yeah, I think I'm changing my top, bottoms, fronts, back, sides.
Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you at our friend's place and then cut the clips over there. Anything you want to say?
Big body gal.
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
He said wagwan.
Wagwan. It's Jonathan.
Y'all 1-to-1.
Love the ganja. The ganja.
My arm hurts.
I'm gonna send y'all the link to that video right here.
Link right here. We have to take a picture of them. We are in the process of getting ready. Yeah, let me sit down. So yeah, we're in the process of getting ready. I wasn't trying to do too much. I'm wearing this block off the shoulder bodysuit and some jeans. I'm probably gonna throw on my Uggs. When I leave, you wanna do all of this. But when I come around, you don't wanna post up. Yes.
Half hair.
Can we do the thumbnail for the vlog right now?
Oh my gosh.
The thumbnails. How she?
That was so. Oh my god. I'm really bad at posting.
Tati. Oh my gosh, that's actually the thumbnail. Tati, fix yourself.
Ew, my arms look so fucking huge.
Paulina, can I have some gum?
Without thing, you can have a hose if you like. Hose is stronger.
Paulina, can I have some gum?
Really sneaky.
Alright, y'all. We'll see y'all later. I'm gonna get my shoes on and clean off my bed.
Oh yeah, that's right. I have to wear shoes with this, huh? Shoes though.
This might be the end of the vlog. So if this is the end of the vlog, I will see you guys next week Sunday or whenever you guys will see this the next Sunday. If I do vlog, if I vlog my friend's birthday event, so be it. If not, see you next week. Love y'all.
If I vlog at my friend's birthday event, oh wait, excuse me, my birthday event.
Is that Carson? Hey Carson.
Wait, yeah.
Hey Carson.
Oh my god.
Subway.
Woo. What are you doing tonight?
Yeah, just to go get Yeah. No, I just wore that to go get Subway.
Wow. Who you trying to attract, boy?
Nobody, huh?
Yeah,
Yo, we're at our friend's place. The lighting in her room is kind of trash, but yeah, this is the end of the vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.